Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the second Thursday, and tomorrow market is closed. So today we're gonna treat this as a Friday. So let's go over my watch list. Same routine every day. I come to my desk, I run my scanner, and these are the stocks I was watching. Ideally, it was JOB, FRAN, NXTD, VERO, and let me see if there was, and CEMI as well. So as you can see, these were the ones on my chart right here, right? Yeah, and we had good amount of volume today. So let's see. So JOB, right? FRAN, these are the ones are on my chart. So now, if I pull this up, right? So let me also show you first. Let me pull up my broker real quick. So this is my broker, right? By the way, this is my new broker that I switched to. I'm gonna do a review on them this Friday, tomorrow. Definitely check it out and see what you think. By the way, SOLO stock is running right now, which is right here. It might actually break highs. I'm not gonna trade it because I made my daily goal already, but yeah. So we'll leave that alone for now. So yeah, job was JOB was the one that was good today. I actually missed the red to green move from the opening right here. Instead of buying, I was tapping my selling hotkey. I don't know why. This is why, if we come down here, you'll see in the beginning, it was saying you're out, you're out. But I was trying to get in. But anyways, I just hit the wrong hotkey. That's why, I didn't get in. Other than that, that would have been a good move, very solid move, I think. Wow, Solo is really trying to make a run here. This might actually break 345, I think. So right now the level 2 is at 340, 341. We have some, like the sellers are stepping up. Yep, bids are getting up slowly. So right now there's a fight around this area right now. So this might break out, but we'll leave that alone. Yeah, so initially, and then I got in CEMI at 374. Then I got out 373, and then I got in again at 381. Sold at 384. The reason why it was a little bit whippy stock. So if we pull that up, CEMI, I should have it up here. CEMI, it was very whippy. You can see like there's just a lot of upper wicks and going up, coming back down, going up, coming back down. So initially I tried to get in at 373, which was around this area for the push above VWAP. It was around this consolidation part, and then I sold on the way up, and then it came right back down. Then I got in again for the push up against push above, I think, the high of day, and then sold on the pop up. Obviously the stock took off later on. But yeah, this stock was just whippy. It was harder to read the price action. So that was that. And then KTOV, I got in at 99 cents and it got out at 103. There were a lot of sellers at 105, a huge wall, maybe over like a couple million shares of the wall. So let's pull that up real quick. KTOV, let's see. Oh wow, CEMI is trying to run right now. So let's pull up KTOV, which is right here. So I got in at 1, which was for the push above this VWAP, right? So I saw this push above VWAP, and I sold on the way up, and I saw a lot of sellers here. This was a risky trade because there's a bunch of green candles, but level 2 was looking strong, so I took it anyways. So that was that for KTOV, and then let's see what else we had. And then I got in, and CEMI I talked about. JOB, then I got in at 215 and sold at 219. So JOB, let's go back at JOB. I got in at 215. I think this was around, let's see. I think this was around this area right here for the break of this part. Yeah. So I got in for the break of this, and then sold on the way up. And then what happened next? I got into SOLO. SOLO again. This was a stock that it's taking off now. It was very whippy. That's why I gave profits away on that actually. Because I tried to get in, I believe around this around this area right here, and it didn't take off, so it failed. So I gave away some profits. It took me a few tries right here. 340, getting in 340, selling at 335, getting in at 340 again, selling getting at 335, buying at 340 and selling at 345. So one winner there, right? So yeah, that one was very vippy. And then JOB again. So JOB I got it in 192. This was I believe for the push on VWAP, push above the VWAP. I will show you. I think this was this area right here. Yeah. So I got in for the break of this part and sold on the way up. And then I tried to get in SOLO again. It didn't work out. Then I just let it go. And JOB I got in again. So let's see. Yeah. So I actually got in for. Oh, okay. I see what I did. So first I got in around this area and it failed. So I got out with a cent profit, right, which was right around here. And then I got in again in JOB at 194 and sold at 211, sold the remaining 250 at 217, which was for the push right the second time it tried to do VWAP reclaim. So that was that. It actually halted over here and then I sold. So that was good money there. But yeah, again, today's Thursday. Is technically, tomorrow is markets are closed, so volume is not going to be as big as it is since people are off vacation already. So because of that, I wanted to be extra cautious. And I came out today. I'm up $210 today. If I show you by stock, right? So on SOLO, I gave away $85. KTOV, I was up $30, and JOB, that's where I made $228. So on the day, I'm up 210. Once again, guys, 210. This is without fees and commission. So this is awesome. So yeah, look out for the video tomorrow. I'm gonna push out. Man, SOLO is trying to run. I'm not gonna trade it, but yeah, check that out. Like if this breaks like 345, this is gonna do something like this and take off. So this is what price action is. You gotta learn how to read level 2. I'll make a video on that too, hopefully soon. But first thing, I'm gonna make a video on the new broker and give you an overview and the pros and cons, and how they don't charge commissions and whatnot. So definitely look out for that. Other than that, subscribe to my channel, like the videos, guys. That helps me out a lot. That tells me you guys are supporting the channel, that you want more videos like this. And subscribe to my Twitter channel as well. I post there every day when I get into my station, and I'll show you this morning. See, JOB, right, was straight from the watch list, right? KTOB straight from the watch list, CMI, right, all from the watch list that I post. So other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow.